Homes and businesses are getting smarter, and we're consuming more content than ever, thanks to the increasing number of internet-ready devices. We expect our devices to connect automatically and our services to just work. We don't want to be kept on hold with help desks or scouring through endless tutorials on YouTube, and for it all to keep running smoothly, whether we're at home or on the go. So how can operators meet this challenge and deliver an any service, anywhere network which not only meets expectations but exceeds them? A network that offers an improved customer experience and allows you to deliver a differentiated service, even reducing costs while increasing customer retention. The perfect solution is at hand. Motive Customer Experience Management starts by giving the power back to your customers, meaning they can manage and optimize their own services, all with just a few clicks, dealing with day-to-day glitches, and resolving potential issues on the spot. Actionable analytics give you a complete picture of what's going on across all devices and services in the home, enabling proactive identification and resolution of problems. And if a problem needs to be handled by a help desk agent or field tech, we provide enhanced visibility, real-time diagnostics, and guided troubleshooting. Our platform empowers subscriber self-care and reduces the pressures on your customer service and technical teams, saving you money and increasing customer satisfaction levels. Motive Customer Experience Management provides you with the advanced intelligence you need to improve customer care and optimize the customer experience. It streamlines operator processes and offers a cost-effective service management solution, future-proofing the network as new devices are added and new services deployed. The results are happy, loyal customers who spend more and spread the word to friends and family. Nokia Motive Customer Experience Management, making it easy for your customers to get the most out of technology.